This is the type of match where anything can happen right away. Corey, what?
By Drew McIntyre.
That might be all Drew needs. Corey, so many things can transpire in a matchup like this. What could be that elusive X factor?
It is mission critical to be adaptable. If it's anything goes, then use that to your advantage before your opponent does.
This is an environment where a competitor can be reminded real quick what goes around comes around.
And you might be forced to revamp your strategy when you least expect it.
Swing for the fences with a kendo stick. Send your opponent crashing through a table. Fight up the ramp. Whatever insanity you can come up with is fair game.
And he goes into the ring.
Oh, good night. Sure.
In the face.
Tackles ruthless.
Looks like he has something planned with his table, guys.
I don't want to know.
To the midsection, double underhook. The old butterfly, lung blower. Good luck breathing after that.
Headbutt.
McIntyre reverses and looks to capitalize. He's been placed in the corner now. Oh, man! Ouch. Gets him in position.
This is not going.
The superstar's just showing off at this point, and I don't think they're done yet.
Oh my gosh.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Oh!
Wow. What power. Unbelievable show of balance and power we just saw.
He connects with a right hand.
Oh my goodness. Uh-oh. He's turning the tables. Oh, God, man. This won't end well. This competitor now on the middle rope,
Looking for a suplex. Oh, look at the stall.
2, 3, 4, 5. My God! No! My God!
Clearly holding nothing back.
Using that well-placed table to great effect.
Arm wringer applied. Top wrist lock. Opponent down to one knee.
They're going to have to try to fight out of this.
Winding up. There's the
He's got him down. Is this it?
Down.
The count was stopped before it started. Ow. All of that work, all these big moves, and it still didn't earn the fall.
What a counter.
Tough position to be caught in here.
Targeting the throat there.
I don't like the look in his eye here, folks.
He's lining him up. Up high.
Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Plucked out of the air.
Air raid crash.
Is it enough? The cover. 2. Kick out.
Somehow, some way, he is still in this. Look at this.
Oh, from the rope. He leaves the ring, and there's no countouts in this one.
Great. Rearranging our ringside furniture here. Clearing the announce desk.
What a mess.
He has got something destructive in his mind. Hoisted up, oh my gosh.
Oh, through the table.
What an incredible display of power. This announce area has been decimated.
It looks like a hurricane came through here. The table, the monitors, all destroyed.
He's looking for an implement of destruction under the ring.
And now with him going for the table, we're just in straight up appetite for destruction territory here.
Outside of the ring now.
What's the plan here?
Using the cranium. Perhaps looking for some kind of equalizer here.
The ladder. Things are about to get very interesting and dangerous.
That's one way to use a ladder.
He has been here before, and he knows what he needs to do. Lands an elbow.
He's struggling a bit here.
Showing a lot of fortitude in this Extreme Rules match for sure, but not sure how much more tenable it can be. Oh my goodness. Oh.
And he throws the opposition back into the ring.
Escape just in time.
Textbook head scissor takeover.
Very nicely done.
Oh, McIntyre holding him at bay. Clothesline. So effective. Heads out, and he has all the time he wants. Forks the move by throwing an elbow into the midsection.
Clothesline.
Drops the hammer.
Right on the lower back.
He's running on empty right now.
There is no way this can go on for much longer.
You have to sense that fatigue is starting to become a factor at this point.
Make no illusions of it. This is coming down to a battle of attrition.
He's setting up the table in the corner. This isn't going to be good. Uh-oh. Face full of turnbuckle. Oh, with authority. And he's taking this to the outside now.
This is the only time anyone gets excited about garbage when a steel trash can gets involved with a fight.
Snapmare takedown. Strong kick.
My goodness. Oh, no, he's in the line of danger now. Oh, what's this going to be? Uh-oh.
He might never be the same after that trip through the table.
Yeah, that looked particularly terrible. I don't see any way to...
McIntyre setting up. Will Drew finish things now? Try and end it.
Drew McIntyre gets the win.
Here is your winner, the Scottish